Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is C programming for Simpson one-third rule. So fx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x is a given functions. Okay, the calculating using Simpson one-third rule in C is based on the fact that the small portion between any 2 points is parabola. Okay, small portion is parabola. Is parabola. The program follows the following steps for calculation of the new integrals. As the program gets executed, first of all asks for the value of lower boundary value of x. x0 equal to upper boundary. x0 is upper boundary. x0 is upper boundary value and xn of x and xn is that is xn and width equal to h, width equals to h. So then the program finds the value of number of strips n equals to xn minus x0 divided by h. Okay friends, so checks whether it is even or odd. If the value of n is odd, the program refines the value of h so that the value of n comes to be even. After that, this program calculates value of fx, y, different intermediate values of x, and displays values of all intermediate values of y. After the calculation of values of c, the program uses the following formula to calculate the value of integral in loop. So formula is I is equal to h by 3 star. Okay, h by 3 star y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus yn minus 1, because this is the even, not even, it is odd. Okay, odd connection, plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus up to yn minus 2. This is the total formula. Okay, so this is the total formula, y2 y4 yn minus 2. This is the Simpson one-third formula. Finally, it prints the value of integral which is stored as answer in the program. Okay, so friends, if fx represents the length of the value of integral will be area. If fx is the output of the Simpson one-third rule, C program will be volume. Hence, numerical integrations can be carried out using the program below. It is very easy to use, simple to understand, and gives reliable, accurate results. So friends, let's start our practical. So friends, let's start our practical. So I have already written my program. Hash include stdio.h standard input and output header file. Okay, hash include conio.h means console input and output. Okay, everything you know, because it is in the theoretical class on the C programming. So you know what is the meaning of the conio.h and stdio.h. So float f float x, because this is my functions. Okay, function is float f float x. So void main, okay, return 1 divided by 1 plus x. Okay, this I took this value. So now that void main and int I comma n x0 xn comma age y2 20 means it is a 20 total 20 20s, and so se answer x20. So in enter values of x0 xn age dot 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 up to this result. So friends, you can see that x0 enter the value of x0 and h. Okay, and percentile a float function, percentile float at the rate x0 xn and h. Okay, so n equals to this, and if n percentile 2 is equals to 1 means this odd number. Okay, so n equal to n plus 1 and h equal to xn minus x0 divided by n. So it is, and printf this value. And further, if you need more explanation, I will create theoretical theories of this programming, that how the program is executes, and also you check my functions video function. Okay, so you can understand. So for y is equal to I equals to 1 I plus plus x0 I and I comma h, this is the array. Yi is equal to fxi means my recall the function, and printf percentile f slash n. Okay, and so equal to 0, so I y plus I means this is the odd. Okay, odd function, and this is even, otherwise when it is even. So my formula is same as which we have learned, that h by 3 into y0 plus yn 4 into so means my total even term. Okay, I can write in here sum of y y1 plus y3 plus dot up to y n minus 1. Okay, so this way, and this is the when it is if, and in this case this is the sum, the formula wise sum of y2 plus y4 plus dot up to plus y n minus 2. So this formula I used in here, and you can get this. Now let's check our compiler. Okay, our compile run successfully. You can check that enter values of x0 xn and h. So I just putting the value 2 4 0.5. Okay, h is equal to 4 minus 2 divided by 20. Okay, h is equal to xn minus x0, h divided by h. So yeah, okay, divided by h, 4 minus 2 0.05 0.5 means 40 term. Okay, no problem. So now again we get Okay, final integration term, I don't know that why it's going. Final integration term is not so much correct. Okay, final integration term is not correct. 0.51, I think that, but my this value, y value